Hi, my name is Ian Carradine, and I am the Social Media Manager for Hamilton Medical. If you've ever commented on a post or sent a message to one of our social media profiles, chances are that we've already met. I create original social media content about the latest events, e-learning, and news for our international teams in Switzerland, the US, the UK, and India. I also reshare inspiring content from our customers and distribution partners worldwide. My favorite part of my job is getting to know and share stories from medical teams, biomedical engineers, and critical care workers from around the world. Every day, I monitor all the social media channels and respond to comments on videos and posts just like this from followers just like you. With this in mind, feel free to like, share, and introduce yourself in the comments below. My name is Ian, and this has been my job in 1 minute.